The high-torque brushless motor produces an incredibly strong jet of air, reaching speeds of over 50 meters per second, and its variable speed control allows for precise adjustments from a gentle puff to a powerful blast. This device proves its versatility with a complete accessory kit, including 3 distinct nozzles and 4 brushes, making it useful for everything from car detailing to inflating pool toys. It serves as an excellent long-term investment, completely eliminating the recurring cost and waste associated with disposable compressed air cans. Weighing less than a single pound, its compact and cordless design makes it exceptionally portable for cleaning tasks both at home and on the go. The internal battery provides an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes on a single charge, which conveniently takes only 2 hours to fully replenish. For anyone who values practical and powerful gadgets, this air duster is a surprisingly useful tool that solves common cleaning challenges with remarkable efficiency.